Alright.
You are late as
Hey,
usual.
man.
Your shift begins
Ha
now.
ha ha, I'm not late, man. Welcome to World Chips. Want some beans? I'll eat them. What you want, man? Rice. Good choice. Good choice. That's a good choice, mate. See you next day or whenever you're gonna eat here. See you next time. Come again. Corn, good choice too. I love corn. I love corn. Chica Skinny Taco. It's a personal favorite, isn't it? Don't worry about that, sir. I'm sorry. I'm not new here. I just made a little mistake. Sir, you dropped your... Oh. That's fine. That's fine. He paid for it. Hey! What do you want, sir? Ha. Oh, you want an orange, which I'm getting right now. And some glam wraps. 1, 3. Okay, man. 1, 3, 4. Alright, man, that's okay. With that hot sauce, here you go. Extra hot sauce for you. And orange. Okay. Who's next? Hello, sir. Sour lime. There you go. Monty's Fiesta Pizza. This is not really a pizza, but you know, I'm not judging. Sure, sir, please. Do you know how to cook? I didn't think so. So you can wait. Thank you, sir. Please come again next time. You want some guac, sir? No? No guac? No guac? Alright. Hot sauce. With a fazbear flan. 4, 4, 5. Drink pink lemonade and some hot sauce. Extra for you because you're being rude. What do you want, sir? Rice, beans, rice. Thank you, sir. Beans. 2 of my personal favorites, sir. Pretty fast taco. Sorry, sir, I got it wrong. At least you're being kind, sir. I always love kind customers. Ha ha. Ha ha. What about you, sir? Nacho cheese on that face. Okay, sir. I know you're getting this for your family, right? Because not a single person on this earth is that fat.
Take the order. Why don't you?
I'm delivering. Don't worry, sir. Nacho cheese, hot sauce, and some more nacho cheese because you love that. Guac and hot sauce because I know you like that and you want that pretty fast taco with a 5, 4, 5. Boom on the side. Nacho cheese and some guac to go with ease. Just go with the flow, man. My food, bro. I just made all that for you.
Where's food?
You just came in line, so please stop. Let's see. You want this?
You're not done.
Yeah, I'm not done. You're right, I'm not. I'm not scared of you. You wanna go? Huh? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, ooh, ooh. You wanna go? Cause I'll go. You just dropped all your food. Oh, come on. You don't have to do that. Please. How much time do I have? I got a lot of time, actually. Don't you dare start screaming. We just started the timer. What do you want on that? Guac and hot sauce. Okay, bro, that timer is not okay. Roxy's Rocket Nachos, I like those. With everything. The hell? Are you good? Are you good? Calm down, boy. Okay. Oh my God, there's a line. There's a whole line. These aren't glam wraps. Are these glam wraps? These are glam wraps. So you want hot sauce and guac on the glam wraps, a pink lemonade, And a Roxy's rockin' nachos with everything. Now leave! Ungrateful. Ungrateful.
You are not done.
Yeah, I'm not started actually. If you want to take it that way, yeah. Freddy's Fast Taco. This, right? Yep. 525. Sir, please stop. Hot sauce and some of that guac on there. Get going.